How to keep loyal customers loyal using email marketing. Email marketing may sound difficult or daunting at first. The truth is that using email marketing correctly will lead to increased profits with little investment, and all it takes is a little knowledge to get you started. Always get permission. Unsolicited email is not welcome, and in certain cases, can get your ISP blocked. When contacting someone, always include a newsletter or an offer. This way the customer has the chance to agree to receive your messages. The last thing you want is to be branded a spammer. Be sure that your landing page lives up to the customer's expectations. The subscriber is obviously interested in your product if they have clicked on the link in your email. You do not want them to be disappointed by clicking on the link, and finding the page to be other than what they thought it would be. Post a version of your newsletter with graphics and animation on your website. Then send your email list a plain text version of the newsletter with a link to the web version. This keeps your email simple enough to stop them from being diverted to the spam folder, as well as encouraging your customers to visit your website. To use email marketing to build confidence in your company and products, avoid turning your emails into gimmicks. Don't tarnish the professionalism of your image by using irritating tactics like writing all in caps or incorporating symbols like $signs. Most importantly, never talk down to your customers or make grossly exaggerated promises about your products. You should send your emails as a plain text every once in a while instead of always sending them in HTML format. This gives things a more personal touch and helps the subscriber feel that you are trying to connect. Do not use it too much though, because then you may be seen as being too unprofessional. Hopefully, you can now see the many ways email marketing can work to your advantage. Take the advice you just read to heart and you will soon achieve impressive results. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.